Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt, tōku ingoa. Hope you're going really well with your te reo Māori learning. I had a quirky idea that today we might be able to do something about the rooms of the house, which many of these will relate also to the rooms of an early childhood centre, and perhaps you can change them around a bit if you're doing that for a school. So it could be a really nice activity for you or for children to lay out your house or your centre or school and put the names in. So many of the names of a room in a house will either start with rūma or whare. So rūma, rūma, whare, whare. So in this case we've got rūma moe. So that means the room for sleeping, which we say in English, bedroom. We've got rūma horoi tinana, which is the room for washing the body. We would say bathroom in English. Rūma moe again. So if you've got more than one sleeping room, bedroom, you could also use the words for first, second and third. So this is the biggest bedroom, so it would be, I think, so it's rūma moe tuatahi, which is the word for first, rūma moe tuarua, the word for second, and if there was a third, rūma moe tuatoru. So that's another way of really practicing speaking those words and getting the sentence structure right, because the tuatahi goes at the end and the rūma goes at the beginning, so it's what kind of room it is. And down here, bit hard to read, this is the laundry, rūma horoi kākahu. So this is the room for washing clothes. Rūma horoi kākahu. There might be other words for lots of ways that you can say these rooms in te reo Māori, but this is just the ones that I know of. We've also got one here starting with rūma, rūma noho, rūma noho. So you know how we say e noho, so that's sit. So this is the sitting room, rūma noho, otherwise known as the lounge. And then there's two in this layout which start with the word whare. So whare is to do with the house. So this is like a house for the car. Whare waka. So waka is one of the words for car. Whare waka. So this is the garage. And then we've also the one that we know really well, whare paku, for the toilet. There's a couple of rooms in here that don't start with rūma or whare, and that's tari, which is office, and kihini, which is one of the words for kitchen. So one of the things that you can do with this, kind of like, perhaps you could do it as a game. He ha tēnei, he whare waka. So you could just say, he ha tēnei, what is this? He aha tēnei. He ha tēnei, what is this? He whare waka. And if you want to, you could practice he whare waka tēnei, because I can say that because I'm right here. But if I'm asking somebody over there, if I'm asking you, he ha tēnei, you would say he whare waka tēnā, because that's the word for that. I'm saying what's this, and you're saying that's a garage. He aha tēnei, and you would say he tari tēnā, or you could just say he tari or tari. He aha tēnei, he rūma noho, he rūma noho tēnā, or just rūma noho. So that's something that you could do. It's important, I think, to as many opportunities as we can to put the vocabulary that we know in a sentence. And so he aha tēnei is a really good little sentence to get really good at, to use with all sorts of vocabulary. We've already talked about that game on one of our videos. So with this one, if I'm putting signs around the place, which I tend not to do for various reasons, but if I was putting signs around the place, I might not just have, in the bedroom, I might not just have a sign saying ruma moi, I would say he ruma moi tēnei. So that's looking like he ruma moi tēnei. This is the bedroom. He ruma moi tēnei, because that's helping us to get into more sentence structures. And the reason that we stay stuck on just vocab words like colours and numbers and greetings and maybe the names of a few animals and fruit is because we're not challenging ourselves to go more into sentences. He ruma moi tēnei. He aha. He aha tēnei. And you would say, he ruma horoi kākahu tēnā. Hopefully that's really challenging you and helping you. Name the rooms of your house. Do a layout of your house. Find the names of some rooms that you're not sure of the meaning of, not sure what the word is in te reo. This should cover most of them, but there might be some others that are special rooms in your house, or in your centre, or in your school. Ka kite.